Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you Rajasthan High Court judgments containing 720 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. The dictation will be non-stop and will fluctuate between the speed of 85 to 95 words per minute. So get ready. 3 seconds. Start. Auction without hearing of the stay application by the DRT. The writ petitioners had to approach the writ court. It is further contended that taking into consideration the aforesaid peculiar circumstances, writ court passed an order on 25/1/2018 protecting the writ petitioners by issuing directions so that their application for stay is not rendered infructuous and they may not be deprived of their property till the application for stay is heard and decided. Learned counsel would submit that the court, vide its order dated 25/1/2018, did not completely stay the auction proceedings, but the protection was to the effect that the bank may proceed with the auction on 30/1/2018, but the sale would not be confirmed till the next date of hearing with clear direction to the DRT to hear the stay application, and in case hearing on the stay application does not take place, then the order passed by the court to remain in force till hearing of the stay application. The order clearly intended to protect the writ petitioners till decision of stay application and the appellant's submission that the stay would continue only till hearing, even though no orders were passed, is completely absurd and was never intended by the court. Learned counsel would submit that the bank officials are not illiterate or rustic persons. It was very clear from the order of the court that the court intended that till application for stay is heard and decided, the protection will continue. The DRT did not decide the application for stay, though the case was listed, but orders on stay application were not passed. Thereafter, auction notice was issued fixing a new date of auction, even though application for stay was not heard and decided one way or the other. The bank officials contemners proceeded to confirm the sale and as also issuing sale certificate and delivering possession to auction purchaser, thereby completely frustrating order dated 25/1/2018 passed by the learned single judge. Learned counsel would next submit that observation for taking back possession of the immovable property of the writ petitioners is only a consequential order and not a supplemental order as such. It is contended that in view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Jehal Tanti and others supra, the confirmation of sale, issuance of sale certificate and handing over of possession of the immovable property to the auction purchaser are void ab initio. Therefore, consequential steps were required to be taken by the bank officials, which has been observed by the learned single judge while holding the contemners guilty of contempt of the court. Further submission of learned counsel for the respondent is that after having flouted the order of the court, the contemners cannot be heard, saying that order dated 25/1/2018 passed by the learned single judge in the writ petition was not justified in law. Order dated 25/1/2018 was never challenged by the contemners or even the auction purchaser by filing any appeal or review, much less there being any stay on operation of order dated 25/1/2018. Therefore, the order remained operative and effective, which restrained the contemners from confirming the sale or issuing sale certificate, much less handing over possession of immovable property of the writ petitioners in favor of auction purchaser. All that was permissible under order dated 25/1/2018 was to hold the auction but not confirm the sale till the application for stay is heard and decided by the DRT. The contemners, therefore, after having held auction, ought to have kept the proceedings pending and awaited the orders passed by the DRT on the stay application filed by the writ petitioners, and in case stay application is rejected, they could have proceeded to confirm the sale and all other subsequent proceedings. But the contemners were hand in glove with the bidder in the auction, and therefore they hurriedly proceeded to confirm the sale and handed over the possession of immovable property, even though application for stay remained pending in the DRT without being decided one way or the other, and therefore it is a clear case of willful disobedience, as has been held by the learned single judge in the contempt proceedings. We have given our anxious considerations to submissions made by learned single judge for the parties and perused the records, various orders, and the authorities relied upon by both the sides. The contents of the writ petition filed by the respondents, writ petitioners, SB Civil Writ Petition number 2033/2018 would reveal. Stop over.